Okay, so you have the Rheem Performance Platinum XG50T12DU36UO was getting the error for flame out of sequence. Uh, After checking out the pilot light turning itself off multiple times, decided to turn off the gas and unplug the electrical. And go in here and check out this flame sensor, which seemed to be very corroded and dirty. Grabbed up a little bit of sandpaper and sanded it down, all real good like inside there. So get the debris, hopefully it starts censoring correctly. Now I'm going to put it all back together and see, hopefully this thing works right. Alright, so now if you can see, get a pilot light on inside. I guess the sensors working correctly. Got the little heartbeat light flashing. I don't know how much it's coming on, showing off and on, maybe barely. But that's the first time it sounded like it finally heated correctly. I'm not sure. Maybe if I'm just overly optimistic. But I guess we'll see in a minute. Whatever happens. Hopefully that's good. And work for you too. Alright, it sounds like it's heating up. And finally, hopefully, got that done. And if you have the same model and you're opening it up, you only need these like star screw type things around here. It was getting warm already, yeah, so that looks good. Yeah. No heat. Now it looks like there's all kinds of things happening in there. So that's good. So yeah, save yourself however much money. Unfortunately for myself, saving zero money. Some property owners should be fixing this. But to save any type of headache, being there's always already been so much, I did it myself. And some more evidence for what I've done every day. Stuff like this since I got here 2011, but very underappreciated and undercredited. Yeah. You're welcome.